Subscribe to Bookworm
and press the bell icon.
Watch various interesting educational videos.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel Bookworm. Today's video is not like the regular lecture video. Today's video is about our tribute to the former President of India, late Shri Pranab Mukherjee. Pranab Mukherjee was an Indian politician who served our nation as the 13th President of India from 2012 until 2017. He had a shining political career for about 5 decades. He was a senior leader in the Indian National Congress and occupied several ministerial positions in the government of India. Pranab Mukherjee was born into a Bengali family at Meerut in Birbhum district, West Bengal. His father, Kamada Kinkar Mukherjee, was active in the Indian independence movement and was a member of West Bengal Legislative Council between 1952 and 1964 as representative of the Indian National Congress and was the member of AICC. His mother was Rajlakshmi Mukherjee. He had 2 siblings, older sister Annapurna and younger brother Piyush. He attended the Suri Vidyasagar College, University of Calcutta in Suri, Birbhum. He also had an MA degree in political science and history. Apart from that, he also had an LLB degree from the University of Calcutta. Pranab Mukherjee married Subhra Mukherjee on 13 July 1957. Subhra Mukherjee and Pranab Mukherjee had 2 sons and a daughter named Abhijit Mukherjee and Sharmishta Mukherjee. His wife died on 18 August 2015 at the age of 74 due to heart failure and while Mr. Mukherjee was still in office. Every year, Pranab Mukherjee celebrated the Durga Puja at his ancestral home at Meerut village. On 4th October 2011, he told that I want to avail this opportunity to be with the people of my area. Before entering politics, he was an upper division clerk in the office of Deputy Accountant General. Then he became a lecturer and also worked as a journalist. Pranab Mukherjee's political career began in the year 1969 when he successfully managed the Midnapur by-election campaign. His efforts caught the eyes of her then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and she recruited him to her party, the Indian National Congress. He became a member of the Rajya Sabha in July 1969. Pranab Mukherjee had a rapid rise in the early phase of his career and he got appointed as the Union Deputy Minister of the Industrial Development in the year 1973. His term was noted for his work in improving the finances of the government. In 1979, he was chosen as the deputy leader of the INC in the Rajya Sabha and in 1980, he was appointed the leader of the House. After getting sidelined from the INC, he founded another party in 1986 known as the Rashtriya Samajwadi Congress RSC in West Bengal. He achieved a lot in his career after the event. His political skills and long experience in government have also led him to head a large number of committees of ministers in the government, a device that has been employed to obtain consensus with the member of the governing coalition on contentious issues. He was a powerful orator and scholar, and his intellectual and political progress as well as remarkable knowledge of international relations, financial affairs and parliamentary process are widely admired. He had been acclaimed for his role as consensus builder on difficult national issues through his ability to forge unity amongst the diverse political parties that form part of India's vibrant multi-party democracy. So let's take a ride through his political career. He was Deputy Minister Industrial Development February 1973 to Jan 1974. Deputy Minister Shipping and Transport from January 1974 to October 1974. Minister of State for Finance October 1974 to December 1975. Minister of State for Revenue and Banking independent charge from December 1975 to March 1977. Cabinet Minister of Commerce and Steel and Mines from January 1980 to January 1982. Cabinet Minister of Finance Jan 1982 to December 1984. Cabinet Minister of Commerce Jan 1993 to February 1995. Cabinet Minister of External Affairs February 1995 to May 1996. Cabinet Minister of Defense May 2004 to October 2006. Cabinet Minister of External Affairs October 2006 to May 2009. Cabinet Minister of Finance 24th Jan 2009 to 26 June 2012. Elected to Rajya Sabha 1969, 1975, 1981, 1993 and 1999. Elected to Lok Sabha 2004, 2009 and up to July 2012. Deputy Leader of the Congress Party in the Rajya Sabha 1978 to 1980. Leader of House in the Rajya Sabha 1980 to 1985. Leader of the Lok Sabha June 2004 to June 2012. Member Working Congress Committee January to 27th 1978 to January 18th 1986. August 10th 1997 till June 2025 2012. President West Bengal Madhya Pradesh Congress Committee 1985 August 2000 to June 2010. Member Central Parliamentary Board All India Congress Committee AICC 1978 to 1986. Chairman Economic Advisory Cell AICC 1987 to 1989. Chairman Central Election Coordination Committee of the AICC June 28, 1999 onwards. Member Central Election Committee December 2012 2001 to 25th June 2012. Resigned from the Congress prior to contesting the office of President of India 25th June 2012. President of India 2012 to 2017. Sri Mukherjee enjoys reading, gardening and music in his spare time. Simple in his states, Sri Mukherjee is a dedicated patron of the arts and culture, an avid traveler. There are few parts of India and few countries in the world he has not visited in his illustrious and long public career. Sri Pranab Mukherjee published some books which are Beyond Survival Emerging Dimensions of the Indian Economy 1984, Off the Track 1987, Saga of Struggle and Sacrifice 1992, Challenges Before the Nation 1992, Thoughts and Reflection 2014, The Dramatic Decade, the Indira Gandhi Years 2014, The Turbulent Years 1980 to 1996 2016, The Coalition Years 1996 to 2012 in 2017. Sri Pranab Mukherjee was honored with Padma Vibhushan in 2008 and Bharat Ratna in 2019. On 31st August 2020, Pranab Mukherjee passed away at the age of 84 after battling a long illness which left a deep vacuum in our country.